Hey, and welcome to the new season of Trials of Teltonika Networks. Hey, you're probably asking yourself, this guy isn't Ernestus. He doesn't have a beard, right? Don't worry, Ernestus is fine. He's just very busy nowadays. I'm Lucas, and I'll be the new host of this series. In previous series, we've tested how our devices can handle harsh environmental conditions. But what about their connectivity performance? Only one way to find out. Our entire office receives its internet connection via this thin fiber optic cable. What would happen if we replaced this fiber optic cable with 5G connection? Would anyone notice? Let's test it with TRB500, one of our first two 5G devices in our portfolio. To make this experiment happen, we need to set up our 5G gateway as a backup connectivity source, which activates only when our main connectivity source is disrupted. Okay, the question is now, how will we disrupt it? That's right, the shares. Let's cut the primary source of our internet connection and see how people would react to the change. Whoops! Our testing engineers usually are the first ones who notice when the internet goes down. Shall we check it? No one even looks confused. Let's see what a quick speed test has to say. Hi Thomas, how are you doing?
Hello, working?
Out of curiosity, could you do a quick internet speed test for me?
Sure. Everything looks normal, nothing, exceptional.
Wow, I would say the internet speed is even better than before.
Even better comparing to what?
Oh, never mind, Thomas. Thanks for the test.
Okay.
See you later. Bye.
Bye.
Well, for me it looks like a success. Well done, 5G.
What?
I hope you liked our new episode. And if you have any trial suggestion, let us know in the comments below. And see you next time.